Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations, and our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. So thanks for following, and welcome to our channel. Good morning from the Florida State Fairgrounds. Today we're checking out the Super Tampa RV show, and it's a special treat for us. We were invited back again this year and we have so much to show you, so stay tuned. We want to check out the Lance truck campers. I think they could be pretty interesting for the price and depending on what size truck you have. So that's where I'm headed. This is a really nice truck camper by Lance that I want to show you. It has a slide out in the back and it has a side entrance, which is really interesting. Propane bottles in here. That's your vent for your furnace. Your water fill there. Some 110 plugs. Here we have, I don't know what we have in there. This is your hot water heater, a speaker. So this is the vent for the fridge. That's the back of the fridge there. Some more storage over here, a little bit more storage there. Your generator is down there, some storage there, and this is the slide out. And you have several awnings. So you have an awning over there and an awning over here, but I think that's mainly to cover the slide out. Really nice. As soon as you walk in here, you have this nice reclining couch, and that's in the slide out. I'm guessing that one child could sleep there. Roof vent and a sunroof and air conditioning. Here's your cute little L-shaped kitchen with a convection microwave and a 3-burner cooktop. Nice range hood. I love that countertop. I love that sink, and I really love that faucet. This dinette, of course, converts into a bed. Look at the size of that fridge. That's beautiful. Over here you have a little bit of an entertainment center, the TV, and a control center here. Look at that dry bath. That is outstanding. Really nice. And this is the master bedroom with the curtain, the privacy curtain. Really cool. Beautiful. And another moonroof up here. A great space for a family of 4.